Most tailors don't know the purpose of these tiny holes in their machine. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you 6 different attachments that you can use for this hole. The first one is a seam guide attachment. This is used to keep your seam straight while sewing. And this is a picture of a seam guide. The next one is an edge guide. This is used to keep equal distance from a fabric while sewing. And the third one is a folder attachment. This is used to automatically fold your material into double edge. The next one is an hemming attachment. This is used to roll up your fabrics into a neat hem. And the next one is a bias binder that's used to fold and attach bias tape to a fabric while sewing. The fifth one is an hemming attachment. It is used to roll up a neat edge of a fabric while sewing. While the final one is an elastic tape guide. This is used to sew an elastic evenly on a fabric. You can also attach a key to that part of the machine, and it will help you to hold your fabrics in place while sewing. Tell me in the comment section which of these attachments have you tried before.